So today we have an awesome job site. There is like piles, overgrown piles everywhere. Tree sticks, a lot of trash. It's uneven, it's really soft. Like stumps everywhere, ruts straight away. The soil is really soft. And there's a lot of mulched trees, old stumps, new stumps, brush stumps, big stumps as well. So a lot of trash everywhere. Some big stumps. There is like a ditch, we have to put a pipe in, and that field as well, so we have to grind everything up, put the pipe in, put all the soil together, make it one piece of land from two. So yeah, trash and debris everywhere, big stumps here as well. So there is stumps everywhere. I guess it's all root system underneath. Stumps all across the ditch on both sides. It's really uneven. Stumps everywhere. And probably we'll get some metal wires and metals and all the good stuff from this ground. So it's all with stumps all the way to the side. We have to deep grind everything, take all the trash to one pile, and we'll take that out. But I don't know if you can see it in the video, it's really uneven too. So we have to connect both of these lands and make it look pretty. I'm guessing this one is quite drier, but that part is really wet and unstable ground, unstable soil. So we'll see how it folds out. But we'll start with taking all the stuff in the pile, and then we start to grind all the stumps and root systems, and then we start to push all the soil around. Try to make some drone shots as well for you guys, and let's see. So the deep grind is in progress, grinding up all the stumps and root system. This is universal rotor head. We have to stop vegetation, destroy all the root system and tree stumps. As you can see, it grinds up everything, it doesn't matter. There's some metal wires or metal plates. It does not matter to this attachment. You grind up everything. The soil is really unstable here. So you just go over everything and grind everything up. The soil is really unstable. If you grind the root systems, stumps and the top layer, you just fall through. leave a comment if you know any other skid steer attachment with which you can grind everything and not worry. It's rocks or stumps or metal plates or metal wires. You just go over everything, it grinds everything. Also, you can level and settle the ground afterwards. Prepare it for sowing grass seed with the same attachment. That's something else, I think. So big stumps. It's hard to grind stumps if the soil is unstable, because the stump is moving. It's better when the stump sits still in the ground, solid. You can grind it in really fine pieces. But if it's moving a lot, then yeah, it's a bit harder, but you can still manage everything. Stump. I hope you can see it. Oh, the ground is shaking. It's really unstable. I hope you guys can see it in the video how the ground is shaking. Everything. Grind it all up. Like brush stumps, it's no issue whatsoever. There is some metal fencing in the ground. Small brush stumps. Bigger stumps as well. Some cut down trees. It seems like it's full on swampland. Bobcat is sinking when we do the deep grind, the top layer. Bobcat is playing with its destiny. It's really unstable ground, but it feels like the slope is more stable than all the rest of this. So we just grind everything up, and then we'll see. So Bobcat is sinking quite heavily, and yes, I had to pull it out quite a few times already, but I'm starting to